Well, just got done with a good hard workout with my Kangoo jump boots. Did running, walking, and it is hot out here in South Florida, and nothing beats coming back after a hard workout and getting a good recovery in you. And I've had the opportunity now to test the new Vegas Sport Premium Performance Protein, and it really has been a great experience. I'll share with you about that in a minute. A few things. It's got 30 grams of protein, 6 grams of BCAAs, 6 grams of glutamine, great post-workout, and it's got probiotics, turmeric, tart cherry, great ingredients, gluten-free, no sugar added. They've got all the great ingredients, nutrition facts, and again, this is the recovery. Really love their packaging, by the way. It's awesome, awesome. I really have to thank a friend of mine, Ann, many years ago, who told me about Vega, and been a big fan since then. Just love it. Let me show you the inside. That is the inside of the product, and it smells good. It smells good, and it tastes really good. So usually what I do after my workout, put it in my container with some water, a good shake up. And what I like to do is put water in first and then put the protein shake, so it's easier to mix. Otherwise you get one of those little metal balls for these types of products so it won't stick to the sides, or you might have to get like a spoon or a knife. So here you go. Cheers. Just love this flavor. It's so good. I notice very quickly after I work out, when I take this, it satisfies me very quickly, which I really like, and it really has my taste buds just love it. So again, this is the recovery product, the post-recovery post-workout, and I just absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend it.
Sure, you got out of bed at 5 a.m. for a run, but are you just going through the motions, or are you moving like you mean it? Only you can answer that. And only you can feed your goals with plant-based food. So when your body wants to quit, your mind keeps going. Whether it's about being the best, or just one step further than you were yesterday, you decide what drives you. So choose plant-based food that fuels your motivation and inspires you to take on everything with tenacity and intent, so you can live like you mean it.
Purely Inspired is an organic protein you can feel good about at an affordable price. Made with 100% pure ingredients, each serving of this delicious shake contains 20 grams of plant-based protein, 7 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of sugar. It's both USDA organic and non-GMO project verified. There are no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners. It's gluten-free with active probiotics and has a great tasting fruit and veggie blend. No wonder it's America's #1 selling organic protein. It's a great way to add extra nutrition to your active day. Purely Inspired, fuel your life organically.